Hello YouTube and welcome to my studio. My name's Bennett, some people call me AJ. I've been playing drums for 30 years and this is my first product review video that I've ever done. So if there's anything that you can help me with, any good comments that you can make or anything that I could change to improve what you're watching, then brilliant. Constructive criticism is always welcome. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, we'll be reviewing the 8-inch Stagg Drum Pad today. Just a little bit of information about drum pads and what they're used for. We mainly use them for practicing. It's so that we can practice a lot more throughout the day. A lot of people don't like to hear the constant noise, protects our ears as well. If you're living with your flatmate, if you're new to drumming and you want to practice in your bedroom, it just means that we're not annoying everybody around us. As most of you know, practicing the drums isn't the most musical sound in the world. It can often just sound like a load of banging. So it just gives us the opportunity to hone our technique and practice a lot more. Ideally suited for rolls, playing with metronome, getting yourself in time, rudiments, all that kind of thing. Yeah, so just generally a really good piece of kit and I recommend that everybody get one. Okay, so let's get on with the review. So I have here the 8-inch Stagg Drum Pad. It's also available in a 6 and 12. As you can see, good box, nice graphics, picture of it on the front with a detail of what the rubber insert looks like. And on the back, a picture of the drum pad from the back. Now, the reason why they do this is because it does have a little screw point in the middle of it. This is so you can either mount it on their own practice pad stand, which is £27, but you can just use it with a normal snare drum stand. The reason why the Stagg stand is quite good is you don't have the extra 3 arms on the top, so it compacts a lot smaller, a lot easier to carry around. I went for the 8-inch one. Basically, just easy to carry around, stick it in your bag, boot it with your car, have it on your desk at work, take it to school. Just gives you lots of opportunity to practice. So, okay, let's have a look at it. So, opening up the box, and inside you find the pad. A nice bit of plastic around it. Now, it doesn't have a lot of packaging, doesn't need it because they're quite robust things anyway. So, the pad itself, you've got the rubber on the front with the Stagg logo. Looks very nice and clean, nice colour. Hardwood surround, and you've got a rubber mat on the back, should stop it slipping around when you're practicing, and then the screw point that I was talking about. So, it feels quite robust. I don't think you could damage it, you could throw it anywhere you wouldn't need, particularly need a case to put it in, but you can get cases for these just to protect them if you do travel around a lot on the train, bus things, you know, you haven't always got somewhere to put it, you can whack it in a little bag. Okay, so let's compare it. So I have here my HQ pad. It's a little bit bigger, it's a 12-inch pad. So this is, let me just lift this up a second so you can see a bit easier. Right, so my HQ pad, I'm going to compare it with the two in here. Now the Stagg pad, I'm just going to stick on the top of it. So you can hear straight away, it's a much quieter sound. It actually gives a little bit more rebound than the HQ pad. Both feel very similar. This has much more of a rubber sort of finish to it. It is quite, not soft, but you can push it down and feel the rubber moving. The HQ pad feels more material and is a little bit softer. That probably accounts for the extra rebound you get. But as you can hear, it's quite a big difference in the level of volume. Yeah, all in all, very nice pad. Spend hours playing that. So yeah, this actually comes in, if you look on Amazon at the moment, it's £8.60. £8.60 for a pad is absolutely brilliant, especially with the amount of use you're going to get out of this thing and how much it's going to bring your drumming on. I would recommend getting a pad no matter what level you're at, whether you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced. Always good to have one of these and it will bring your drumming on immensely. So would I recommend this? Yes, I would extremely recommend this. As I said, extremely portable, good bounce, really good quality on it. and I recommend it to all my students. More than happy to recommend it to you guys. Very, very good piece of equipment. And so it's quite stylish as well. So, you know, you get a lot of people end up using these as coffee stands, as put your coffee cup on and things like that. Like I said, sit on your desk at work, at school, where you're having lunch, on the bus. I mean, you play it off your lap. So yeah, it's absolutely brilliant, and the rub pad does help. It stops it digging into you as well. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, any comments or any criticism, please let me know in the comments box below. Please rate and subscribe, and I'll be back again shortly with either a drum cover or another review video. So as I say again, any comments, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.